Siren hunting part 2. This supposedly is a nuclear plant stuff. Siren is a modulator over there. They might do the modulator test soon, so I'm gonna be here for it. Like, I have to be careful. I can't get too close because I do not know what's nuclear. Okay, if you know anything that's nuclear, please tell me in the comments. Okay. And there's also a water tower. I love them. No. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so close. I can't go like hug it because I love tornado sirens. Okay, modulator test. Well, by the way, it's like long time away. Like, wait, it's gone. Wait, where's the modulator? Where is it? Bro, I just saw it and it was hiding. Let's go on this hill. Can't see that from there. I'm just gonna edit the video for a second. Okay, we made it. Let's go edit the video more. I don't know if I should do some beep outs. When I'm like mistakes, they'll look like I'm swearing, so I'm not going to do it. Big boxes, tall horns, and let's go around here. I want to turn it on. There's a federal signal logo, so you might not know. You might not see it. I can't touch it because it's live wires. Big boxes. There. You might see the federal signal now. Water tower. Woo! This might be the test time. There. The boxes, federal signals. Bye-bye, part 3 is Mike coming out. Woo!